Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most useful concepts in chemistry, the dimensional analysis, also known as the unit factor method or factor label method. This method helps us convert one unit into another without changing the actual physical quantity. Once you understand this simple technique, unit conversions become very easy. So let's begin. So why do we need this? In chemistry labs and real-life calculations, we often need to convert data from one unit system to another. Now look at first example. Is 1 liter different from 1000 milliliters? No, they represent exactly the same amount of liquid. Only the units are different. Now think about length. Is 1 inch longer than 2.54 centimeters? Again, no. Both represent exactly the same length. Only the units have changed. So our goal is simple. We need a method that allows us to change units safely without changing the actual quantity. And that method is called dimensional analysis. Now let's understand the secret behind this method. This method relies on a very simple mathematical idea. Multiplying any quantity by 1 does not change its value. Now look at this fraction. 100 centimeter upon 1 meter. Since 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, the numerator and denominator are equal. So this fraction is actually equal to 1. Because this fraction equals 1, multiplying by it changes only the unit, not the value. This special fraction is called a unit factor or conversion factor. Remember this term because we will use it throughout the chapter. Now let's learn the 3 simple steps of dimensional analysis. Always remember this formula. What you have multiplied by what you want over what you have gives you what you want. In simple words, start with the given quantity. Place the required unit on top, that means what you want. Now place the unwanted unit at the bottom and let the unwanted units cancel automatically. This simple trick works for almost every unit conversion problem. Now let's solve some examples. Let's solve our first NCERT example. A piece of metal is 3 inches long. We have to convert its length into centimeters. Now first find the standard conversion. We know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is our conversion link. Now we have 2 possible fractions. Option A is 1 inch upon 2.54 centimeter. Option B is 2.54 centimeter upon 1 inch. Remember, the values of both these options is equal to 1. Now which one should we choose? We will start with 3 inches. Now multiply the quantity by the chosen conversion factor, which is option B. So 3 inches into 2.54 centimeter upon 1 inch. Notice how the inch unit cancels. Only centimeter remains. Now multiply the numbers. 3 multiplied by 2.54 gives 7.62 centimeters. So 3 inches equals 7.62 centimeters. That's our final answer. Let's solve another NCERT example. A jug contains 2 liters of milk. We need to calculate its volume in cubic meters. This time conversion is not direct. We need to move from liters to cubic centimeters and finally to cubic meters. So we need 2 conversion links. The first link is 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. The second link is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So our pathway becomes liters to cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Now let's perform the calculation. Write the complete conversion as shown. So 2 liters into 1000 centimeter cube upon 1 liter into 1 meter cube upon 1 million centimeter cube. Now observe carefully. First cancel the liter units, then cancel the cubic centimeter units. Now only cubic meter remains. Multiply the numbers. The final answer is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Next example is about converting days into seconds. So the question is convert 2 days into seconds. So what should we do? First convert days to hours, then hours to minutes, and finally minutes to seconds. Now we start with 2 days. Now multiply it by the first conversion factor, that is 24 hours upon 1 day. Notice that the day unit cancels. Next, multiply by 60 minutes upon 1 hour. Now the hour unit also cancels. Finally, multiply by 60 seconds upon 1 minute. The minute unit also disappears. Only seconds remain. Now multiply all the numbers together. 2 into 24 into 60 into 60, which gives 172800 seconds. So 2 days is equal to 172800 seconds. Before ending this video, here's a small challenge for all of you. Can you convert 72 kilometers per hour into meters per second? Try solving it yourself. Don't skip the question. Write your answer in the comment section below. I will definitely check your answers. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Future Flask for more NCERT based chemistry videos. Keep learning and stay consistent.